it's Faye. Before I try on any clothes, I'm gonna skincare, makeup, and hair. Isn't it so weird how an outfit can look when you're faceless versus when you are caked and baked? I know it's not just me. Can't do a haul unless I'm fully done. Thank you, BEIGE, for sponsoring today's video. It's literally winter here in Michigan. Girl, I bet you $5 is gonna snow next week. Okay, don't hold me accountable. Where my Midwesterns at? Oh my gosh, that feels so good. For skincare, moisturizing is key and so important to me. You guys already know how much I love my Aqua Bomb, but in winter I turn to the moisturizing balm because it makes my skin super soft and supple, especially since cold weather causes flaking and creasing. I can't trust no other than the BEIGE Moisture Festival set, available at Sephora and online. This comes with a full-size moisturizing balm, a deluxe mini Aqua Bomb makeup removing cleansing balm, a deluxe mini moisturizing eye balm, I love that, and a deluxe mini Aqua Bomb hydrating toner, also love that. The value of this kit is the same price as a full moisturizing balm, around $38, so you better start planning gifts for the holiday, especially with Sephora's upcoming VIP sale. That's a lot of skincare for hibernation season. Oh my gosh, it feels so velvety and silky and luxurious. This moisturizing balm is intense. It provides 26 hours of drip. I can't stress how clinically proven hydrating this is for that amount of time. Even through a day of thirst, work, gym, couch potatoing, walking outside in the cold, dry air, whatever it is, the intense moisture from this locks in. The moisturizing balm is typically more ideal for dry to normal combo skin, but I have oily skin. If I'm waking up with baby butt cheeks while I'm sleeping in 20 to 30 degree weather, that is a win. The hydration is miraculous. Okay, but seriously, hear me out. BEIGE will be kicking off their Believe in Miracle campaign. This is a series of 10 Believe Miracles launched on their Instagram and promoted by influencers like me and some of your favorites to give back to those who had a tough 2020. Every week, one winner will be chosen to win that week's promoted miracle. Keep an eye out on their Instagram at BELIEVE USA to nominate someone you think who is deserving of a holiday miracle. You guys have no idea how happy I am to be a part of BELIEVE's amazing campaign. So I'm gonna leave all the information and links for the products down below.
기분 좋은 설레임 운동화 끈을 메고서 떠나는 내 뒷모습 초라해 보이지만
Okay, so now that I feel and look my best, regardless of the different sizes we have in America and in Asia, doesn't matter. The bigger message here is to feel your best, do your best, and look your best. I feel good and I feel confident. When my skin's good, I feel good. So I'm not gonna let the sizes determine my worth, my energy. It's just a label. This is the box. Honestly, I don't remember everything I bought, so the first piece we have with us, what? It looks cute. It is cute. Oh, it's stretchy. Wait, actually, this is in the size large because I couldn't find extra large. So I guess here and there are gonna be some pics in large. Let's hope. Okay, I respect the zippers. Well, I was able to zip one side. This is half of me. The rest is over here. There's no way. This is supposed to be centered. Are we seeing the reality of things? No go. Even this, yeah. That's a start. Okay, it's a very sturdy shirt. It's a little tight on the arm. This is an extra large. We have little slits here, super count. How are these extra large? Like, I'm confused. Okay, it buttons up. So this is the extra large top. I'm actually pretty surprised that it covers my chesticles. My arms feel like they're wearing a waist trainer. Oh my. I'm actually really obsessed with the quality. It's so thick and sturdy. I'm like jump shook and it's been a while. I don't like the fact that it like comes up way too high. I gotta wear like pants like this. The girls are squished. Look at this detail. Okay. We have a skirt here. So this is a, why I gotta be rude? This is an extra large before I got attacked. Wait, hold on. I just got played. Why is this in medium? Medium is a small. Not even gonna try. This literally goes up to my thigh and it stops. This would have been cute. Honestly, this haul is questionable. Okay, this is the next case because we're catching cases here. This is an extra large and it's a skirt. Okay. Ow. I'm squeezing on my my Gucci's up. I like this. This skirt's pretty cute. It comes with this. Yes. You're supposed to put this around the belt holes. This is kind of cute, I'm not gonna lie. Not too bad. Oh my god, I'm such a fake hauler. So in honor of an OOTD, I honestly don't remember buying half of these things. I'm not gonna lie though, this is kind of cute. Like I would totally ship this on me. Not too long, I don't have pants on. I don't like this patch. This is an XL. It doesn't feel like an XL because like girl, my sleeves aren't ridiculous. I actually really like this. I think it suits my like face. Bonk. The more I wear this, the more I really like it. Is she really 26? I'm not sure what I was thinking when I picked this. This reminds me of my college days when I actually had a job, like a real society contributing job. If you tuck this in, high-waisted jeans or something. I absolutely love this cream color, especially with the yellow detailing. Wait, this could be a new era. It's not too long. The fabric is thin enough to tuck it into pants and not have it bunched up in the areas that are already bunched. She is 26. I'm not even wearing this right, but oh my god. This is a two-piece. It comes with this strapless top and this print, and then it comes with a cute mini cardigan on top. To be honest, I wasn't sure where I was going with the color. It kind of looks like I fell in mud, but nonetheless, it fits perfectly. I'm kind of shocked this is again an extra large. Actually a little snug on the arms. The idea is to tie it up here, but I feel like because the girls are a little bit, you know, there, it doesn't look right when I tie it up. I'll just wear it as a cardigan. Really like the quality of the strapless top, and it has these vertical lines. It makes you look more elongated. Hey there. Oh my god, is this a whole look? I kind of like it. You guys know me, I'm all about strapless and cardigans, but the print or the coloring, I'm like out of my comfort zone. Okay, not really, but I don't, okay, so when I don't know what was coming over my head when I got this. It's just, why? I'm not really sure where I was going with this. Maybe like to tuck it in pants. Maybe if I tuck it in some jeans. I'm a little confused. However, I also bought these vests. Like, when did my style change? Maybe I was inspired that night. Let's just put the vest on top of this. Perhaps I bought this with the vision. Clearly, I don't remember.
Me just realizing that this was not my order. This was my order. So just bear with me.
I mean, low-key, this makes more sense, right? She really said step up. Okay, to be fair, it's kind of cute and perky. It's just like my body shape. I don't think I match this, to be completely honest with you. I feel like I'm working at Best Buy or something, you know? Well, I still have another vest. Maybe it's supposed to be bigger and baggier. Can't do that. I can't. I look like a camp counselor. Linda, please. Oh my gosh, even my watch. All right, Linda. I got this extra large tank top that's not so extra large. It's not that it doesn't fit. It just doesn't fit. However, surprisingly good quality, so I'm gonna pair it up with these pants. This is like a cargo pants and they're an extra large. They have like this yellow thing, super sporty. Doesn't look bad. It's not per se tight, but it's not loose. I have no qualities in my behind. No meat, no personality. Completely box shape back here. And when I drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, I feel like I'm gonna rip it. It's tight, but it's cute, so I'm not even gonna hate it. It's actually really cute. Ooh, almost humped the wall. Trying all these XL clothes, it's making me hungry. Ooh, just a t-shirt, but it kind of looks crop top on me because I have no torso. Fabric that if you have armpit sweat, it's gonna show. There are a ton of colors, and I don't know why I went with this color. I swear it was more like sky blue. Dr. Linda at your service. I don't have much to say. Why did that look like a bath towel? I went with this dress. It comes up to like mid-shin. Comes mid-shin. I wanted to try an extra large dress. Okay, what I'm noticing with these extra large labels, some clothes are tighter than others, but they do have a stretch, or if they're baggy, they're considered extra large. Come on, Asia. Could do better. I really do like the flare up here because of this little ruffle. It hides your armpit hair and armpit cookies. You can wear the straps like this. Nah. I actually like this for fall, okay? Yellow looks good on everyone. So you know the trend, button this, you don't wear a bra, you just let it flow. That was what I was trying to do, but like I just can't do that. Quality is really good. There are other ways it can be included. Okay. Literally looks like it's gonna pop. If we can't open it the other way, we can open it this way. See? It's a win-win. Mini lettuce lace around the arms. This is a whole look. Surprisingly, this quality is so much better than lip hop. Extra large jeans. High-waisted. Stretchy. It's not too long either. Uh-oh. When I start doing the wiggle, you know. Hot dog. I think we actually fit it. Why do I look like I have like nothing back here to balance on my body at all? Look. Hot dog! More than anything, I'm surprised that these jeans even buttoned. They are indeed very stretchy. I would not have to fold these. However, because they're literally glued to all my creases and dents, the front is just way too visible for like all of the cracks. I'm happy that it fits, but it fits too much. It literally laminates me, and I don't want to be laminated. On the bright side, I love this color. Hot dog! So I got this skirt, and I love the color. Can we just appreciate it? I think we can make this fit if we cut out the skirt underneath. Oh, wait, this is stretchy. Never mind. Hold on, give me a chest fade. No. Oh my god, I don't think we can do it. Oh my god, this is so cute, please. There's just no freaking way. There's nothing I can do. Well, we tried. Hell no. I don't know what I was thinking or what this even is. Fight. Look at my arms. I feel stuck. I don't think this fits. Maybe we can wear it like this. Still very tight on my arms. Nothing changed. It kind of gives like a cute Clueless costume. Sweater time. Honestly, this fabric is kind of like a sponge cake. It is soft inside. I'm not too big of a fan of the outer texture. However, the style of this sweater is cute. Mock turtleneck, these sleeves popping out. Again, it's extra large because it's a baggy sweater. I love the color combo. I don't know why I keep going for these like Dr. Color Blue. It is a ribbed t-shirt that's fitting to the body. Not sure why it's extra large. I don't like how it wears around my arms. As you can see, it literally looks like they cut it out with a stencil. We're just gonna call that a day. I did not order this. Clearly sure I didn't order this, but it's cute. I'm starting to question this whole order as a whole now. Like, did I get this? Just a t-shirt, so I guess. I feel like I'm disappointing you guys, but here's an extra large t-shirt. It fits like a large. I hope you're really enjoying this haul so far. Like, did I get this too? I'm concerned. Is this my haul? Just a t-shirt, nothing fancy. Okay, I feel like this is something I'd order, so maybe this is my order, I don't know. But this is a cute top, isn't it? It opens up right here. Pearl buttons, which you can't see because of the ruffle. This is a cute beige top. Ruffles and laces around. Really like the sleeves. They come down midway. They cover my chesties. So, my besties. And we have the vertical going down, so that's really giving us some life and some height. Thank you for coming through. My gym shorts. Okay, this is my order. Yes. Stretching. Ooh, a little too high on the camel toe. Colors count? Yep. We have another pair of jeans. They just look like this. Nothing fancy. They have rips on the knee. Oh, on both knees, by the way. The button part doesn't come cut open. I used to think that was like a scam, but apparently they do that to show you that it's new and fresh, so you had to cut it yourself. For the most part, if it was zipped, not too bad. I mean, it kind of looks weird. Love the knee detail. The color is amazing. Compared to Western clothes, this is not an extra large. Just to make that clear, as we made it clear. Digging the knee rips. So I don't recall getting this either, but I think this is a thermal turtleneck. Maybe this was supposed to go under the vest. Get yourself one of these for winter. Okay, we got a blouse, a little necktie. We can't button this, but this is low-key a whole concept. I love the sleeves. Oh my god. Gold buttons and the ruffle collar. Can someone get this and wear it and then like tag me in a photo because I actually want to see it on someone in real life who's real life? This could have been it today. Well, open blouse it is. I knew I got another one of that yellow shirt in a different color. I love this shirt. I love this color. You have to get it. The quality is amazing. You're gonna be shook at. There's one more item and it's not an outfit. Are you sure I ordered this? It's a little shoulder bag. I must have thought I was like a new bitch around town. This ain't it. Okay. And that is the end of our extra large YESSTYLE haul. Again, a huge thanks to BEIGE for sponsoring today's video. I am a BEIGE BFF. I just want to remind you guys that it doesn't matter the label, it doesn't matter the sizes, especially in comparison from Asia sizes to Western sizes. You are beautiful and your confidence is radiant when you feel good. Don't let these sizes, labels, numbers, letters define you because they really don't. Suggest different places you guys want to see me shop from. Until next time, I'm sending bye.